Let us begin again and again. The basic of any shape or anything, any atom, is a singular atom. This area is the singular atom. This crossing is the center of the singular atom. This is above and this is below and this is to one side. If the atom was rolling, this is how it would be done. Because the molecule is not square and it is rolling, I said, okay, rolling. If it was flat, it would not roll, but it can slide. If it was downhill, well, will a ball roll if there's no wind or any elements to make it roll? If there was nothing inside this ball, and if there was something inside this ball, how would it roll? Now we're thinking of the eyeball. Now when I put the X inside the O, we have the 15th letter, and we have the 24th letter. We have 66. We have 2 times 4 and 2 plus 4. We have 1 times 5 and 1 plus 5. The answer is 25. The answer is B and E. We have now K and N. Okay, we have the neb. We have bent K. 9 lives of the cat because it's in bent K. The other side of K, the other side of 5, the other side of 5, the other side of 2. 2, 5, 5, 2. 2, 5, 5, 2. 5 and 5 equals to 1, 2, 1, 2, or 2, 7, 2. If all zeros equal 6, or if all zeros equal to 4 instead of 6, one side or the other, we'd have 2, 5, 2 again. 176, the spirit of 76, or 1 spirit of the 7th gate, the half-life. This would create the letter Y. This would create the letter K. This is the letter E. That is the key to 25 is the earth. Here we have our sections off. Here we have our stop sign. See the roadways of our stop sign? We can do it many ways. I can go through each one of these, talking about the center. But if I'm walking, right, my head was up here, I'd be walking, my head would be above the center. My forehead would be in the sky, where 2 is. My heart would be on earth. Now, are we looking down or am I standing up? Am I standing up this way? 1, 2, 3 levels, but I'm showing you this way. Should I be standing up this way? So let's just explain it this way. That's why we have to understand. Now, here's your W, showing you between the left and the right. V shows you only on one side, the left side or the right side. We haven't come into our 22.5 degrees, and our M is showing you inside the center square. See, I use 2 squares over here. I can also use 2 squares on the outside. I can make all 2 squares. Is that the way it's really supposed to be? All 2 squares in this side of the design. So we come down to where we can do it this way, or we can just face it off and have it this way as the stop this way, or we can have this stop over here. This is a 9 stop. This is not a 9 stop. In fact, I should be even bigger. 2, 2, 2, 2, 2, 2, 2. You notice how we now have the open space here, the closed space, 88, 88 being the bookends. Then we have K5 or K9. The center part is 5. It is also noted as 9 because we have 8 around 5, which is 8 and 1 is 9. We come down to the bearing stop sign, okay? And inside the stop sign, we have this area over here of the stop sign. So if we were roadways, okay, this would be a singular roadway, one space, but this way and this way, right? You ever see the roundabouts? You go here, you go all the way around, you go there, you come this way. Do you go this way in a roundabout? If we were in a roundabout and directions was this way and this way, we would go in here, we'd go around here, but how do we go back this way? We can't because it's a singular road. It's 1 square. Here, the road is divided for 2 cars. So in all actuality, we would have to be driving this way. How would you see the square and the stop sign? This would be your east-west. This would be your north-south. Look at the angles it automatically brings. It's automatic. And then if we really want, we can, put somebody's nose at the end of this and go, oh no, oh no, you know, oh no, oh no, right? Oh no. And then we have the man standing up and his tail over here. So that's our stop sign. That's our one-way stop sign. We can make it larger or we can make it smaller. This is 9. This is 16. 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12. 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12. Should we do it just on the inside? But if I do it on the inside, I've got 1 by 2 by 1 by 2. Here I have 2 by 2 by 2 by 2 by 2. So it's 2 by 1 by 2, or it's 2 by 2 by 2. Okay, these are all, don't forget, if we're talking about the rim, the inside of the rim has 1 gateway, the outside has 2. If we use the 2 ways, we still can't go through here. You see the way we get the nose of the mouse, the nose of the mouse, the nose of the mouse on each one of these? If you take a good look, it's also the cap that they use on the kings and the jacks in the deck of cards. If I come down over here, which way am I going to run this roadway, right? Like I said, if I move this all the way down here, move this all the way down here, I now have this stand. But it can also be noted that we can take this. So either I'm using this one, which is around its own leg, or I've cut off the head. Same way the head there, the actual deck of cards, it looks like this as the jack, right? See the area space here and the area space here, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3. 3 versus 5. So when we see 5, 3, 3, 5, we can actually look at it like this. Here would be your 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and here your B were 1, 2, 3. 3 showing this angle, 5 showing straight up. This is all questionable. This is all questionable, remember. What are we looking for? We just have to understand we're looking for dimension. We're looking at area space. We're looking for finding the truth to a question that someone has not asked as of yet, and may have asked, but hasn't asked me. Raphael 7286 in a constellation of Pegasus, coming to you from the House of Paint. Why do I say the House of Paint? Because I painted my house. Thank you for watching this video.